the then President of South Africa. In this lesson, Nelson Mandela tells different things about this long struggle against apartheid. Apartheid means to discriminate people on the basis of skin. Before starting the lesson, you can write down these words so that you can get the actual meaning of these words, and then we can start the lesson. Let us read first some of the lines of this lesson. 10th May dawned bright and clear. For the past few days, I have been pleasantly besieged by dignitaries and world leaders who are coming to pay their respect before the inauguration. The inauguration would be the largest gathering ever of international leaders on South African soil. The ceremonies took place in the lovely sandstone amphitheater formed by the Union Buildings in Pretoria. For decades, this had been the seat of white supremacy, and now it was the site of a rainbow gathering of different colors and nations for the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. In this very para, Nelson Mandela talks about the first day when he was given an oath for presidentship, starting with these words, 10th May dawned bright and clear. It is 10th May when he was given the oath for presidentship. Dawn here means, in Urdu we can say दिन का शुरू होना या तुलू होना. So 10th May, he says that it is a bright and clear day in the history of South Africa, and we are going to start the new pattern of our government. That is, we are starting the freedom process in our country. For the first few days, I had been pleasantly besieged. Nelson Mandela says that it is my first day in my office when I am being surrounded. Besieged here means surrounded by, and pleasantly means in a very good way. I am surrounded by dignitaries and world leaders. Dignitaries, I have written, a person with important official positions, because so many leaders from the whole world had gathered there. So these people from different quarters, from different sides of the different corners of the world, they hold different offices from their respective countries, who were coming to pay their respect before the inauguration. So these people had come there to pay their respect to this great leader who had spent about 27 years of his age in the prison. The inauguration would be the largest gathering. Nelson Mandela says that it would be the largest gathering in the history of South Africa of international leaders on South African soil. It was the first day, the first time on South African soil that so many leaders had gathered there. The ceremonies took place in the lovely sandstone amphitheater. He says this ceremony here means function, और we can say उर्दू तकरीब. ये तकरीब जो है इसके बारे में कहता है कि ये कहाँ पे हो रही थी. कि एक सैंड स्टोन से बना हुआ वहाँ एक एम्फीथिएटर मीन्स ओवल शेप्ड स्ट्रक्चर, ऐसे ही एक स्ट्रक्चर पर ऐसी एक बिल्डिंग, यूनियन बिल्डिंग इन प्रिटोरिया, उसी में ये फंक्शन, उसी में ये तकरीब शुरू होने जा रही थी. For decades this had been the seat of white supremacy. Nelson Mandela says that for decades it had been the seat, it had been the place where the white people used to rule the whole country, and now it was the site of a rainbow gathering. Rainbow, we can say in Urdu, it is Danik, the 7 colors of this different the rays of the sun.